How's that apple juice?
Good.
Yeah, it's good.
Fucking good.
True, just sit up straight. There. Okay. No. Oh.
So you have to take a nap, and then when you wake up, your reward is we're gonna go outside and play. So take a nap, and then we'll go out.
Yeah. Oh, my bad, bro.
What do you think about California?
That's funny.
You like it?
Yes.
Do you like it? You taking a shit?
Over here. Just look at me. Look.